With a simple conversion, the unit can be used in the blower mode. If desired, attach the portable handle, turn off and unplug the unit. Remove the nozzle and fasten the air intake guard onto the front of the unit. Make sure to lower the headlight hood. Remove the bag and attach the hose to the air exhaust port. Line up the grooves and twist the hose toward the unit until it clicks to lock in place. Both the air intake guard and the hose must be firmly locked in place, or the safety switches will not allow the unit to turn on. Attach the inflator-deflator tool to the hose to inflate small, low-pressure items. The inflator-deflator is intended to be used for short durations only. Failure to follow this instruction could cause damage to the unit, including overheating. The portable sprayer is only used in the blower mode. Caution: never use flammable or combustible liquids in the sprayer. To set up the portable sprayer, unscrew the jar and fill it 3/4 full. If the sprayer must be tilted during use less liquid. Screw the jar and sprayer tightly together and connect the sprayer to the hose. Point the sprayer away from the unit. Turn the unit on and squeeze the trigger to spray. Adjust the spray by turning the control on the trigger. Squeeze the trigger fully and use slow sweeping motions. Warning: do not use pesticides or chemical products in the portable sprayer. After use, remove the jar and dip tube. Rinse all pieces thoroughly, allow to dry, and then reassemble for storage. The portable shampooer is also used in the blower mode only. It is designed for cleaning areas that are difficult to reach with the carpet shampoo system. The portable shampooer is not recommended for use on upholstery fabrics such as silk, brocade, or velvet. If in doubt, try a test patch before you shampoo further. To set up the portable shampooer, fill the jar with water to the first line. Add Kirby carpet shampoo to the second line on the jar. Screw the jar and portable sprayer tightly together. Attach the shampooer cap to the end of the portable sprayer. Connect the sprayer to the hose, point it away from the unit, and pull the trigger to spray suds. The suds volume can be adjusted by turning the control on the trigger. Lay an even layer of suds over the area to be cleaned. Work the suds into the surface with a brush or cloth until they disappear. Rinse and clean the portable shampooer while the area dries. Allow the surface to dry completely, then vacuum to remove the dry residue, which contains the dirt and debris. Only use genuine Kirby carpet shampoo, available from your local distributor.